Today we are doing common multiples. Today is 10, 13, 20. We have common multiples up there at the top. And I'm just going to rewrite what multiples are since we might have forgotten. Multiples are numbers we skip count by. Remember, they get bigger. Factors get smaller because you're finding everything in between. Multiples get bigger as you go. So our new part is common multiples. So common multiples are the same numbers when you skip count by 2 numbers. So we're going to look at 2 numbers. And I'm going to write down 4 and 6. So we're going to skip count by 4 and 6 here in just a second. All right, so skip counting by 4. We start with 4. We do 8, 12, 16. 4 times 5 is 20. 4 times 6 is 24. 4 times 7 is 28. 4 times 8 is 32. 4 times 9 is 36. So we're going to stop there. We can keep going. We can go on and on and on and on. And then we're going to skip count by 6. So we have 6, 12, 18. 6 times 4 is 24. 6 times 5 is 30. 6 times 6 is 36. And that's where I'm going to stop. So now what I'm going to do, we're going to find the common multiples. These are the numbers that are the same. So when I look through my list, 4 and 6, 8, 12. 12 is a common multiple, so I'm going to circle those. I'm going to keep going. I have 16, 18, 24, 20, 24. I'm going to circle the 24s. 28, 32, 36. 36 is a common multiple, so I'm going to circle those. All right, so underneath here, I'm going to write common multiples. So my common multiples are the ones that I circled. So that's 12, 24, 36. Now we have something called a least common multiple. Least common multiple. This is also called an LCM. So LCM. So we look at the smallest number these two have in common. So we look at our list here, and the smallest number is 12. So my LCM, my least common multiple, is 12. Okay. Now, our practice page that we did looks like this. And we're finding the least common multiples. So I went ahead and did number 3, because counting by 12s is a little bit difficult. So I'm going to say them to you so you can write them down. You don't have to stare at the screen. So we have 12, 24, 36, 48, 60, 72, 84, 96, 108, 120, 132, 144. Then I'll say the multiples of 11, so you can write those down. 11, 22, 33, 44, 55, 66, 77, 88, 99, 110, 121, 132. So our next step that we are going to do is we are going to circle. You're doing this on Seesaw. You can highlight. You want as long as I can see your numbers. Make sure you're using either the typing tool or you're using the pencil tool to write these so I can see them. And you're going to highlight, circle, mark 132. That's your least common multiple. You don't have to put anything on these lines over here. Okay? That's what we're doing today.